In the United States, the National Electrical Code, or NEC, dictates electrical safety regulations. This includes the maximum number of circuits allowed in a panel board. According to the NEC, a panel board is limited to a maximum of 40 circuit breakers. There are several reasons for this rule. Firstly, safety is a major consideration. Limiting the number of circuits in a single panel board reduces the risk of electrical fires caused by overloads or short circuits. Secondly, efficiency is improved. Spreading circuits across multiple panels improves the efficiency of the electrical system. This is done by reducing voltage drop and potential power outages. Thirdly, maintenance is easier. Having smaller panels allows for easier maintenance and troubleshooting if problems arise. So, the question arises, do larger houses in the US typically require multiple electrical panels? Yes, larger houses in the US typically require multiple electrical panels to accommodate the numerous circuits needed. This is because the 40 circuit maximum per panel board rule limits the total number of circuits that can be installed in a single location. Does the 40 circuit maximum panel rule apply to both residential and commercial applications? The 40 circuit maximum panel rule applies to both residential and commercial applications. However, in commercial buildings, larger panels may be permitted if they meet certain criteria, such as having a dedicated transformer or fire alarm system. In Canada, there is no specific maximum number of circuits allowed in a panel board. This allows for the installation of larger panels, such as 60 circuits or more, to accommodate the needs of larger homes. Let's compare the pros and cons of both rules. The Canadian rule, with no maximum, has these advantages. Firstly, it offers flexibility for larger homes with many circuits. Secondly, it potentially reduces the need for multiple panels. However, the Canadian rule also has disadvantages. Firstly, there's an increased risk of electrical fires if circuits are overloaded. Secondly, there is reduced efficiency due to higher voltage drop. The American rule, with a 40 circuit maximum, has these advantages. Firstly, it provides improved safety by limiting electrical hazards. Secondly, it leads to enhanced efficiency by reducing voltage drop. Thirdly, it allows for easier maintenance and troubleshooting. However, the American rule also has disadvantages. Firstly, it may require multiple panels for larger homes. Secondly, it has the potential for additional cost and space requirements. Ultimately, the choice between the two rules is a balancing act between safety, efficiency, and convenience. The American 40 circuit maximum panel rule is a safety-focused approach that limits potential electrical hazards. The Canadian rule provides more flexibility for accommodating larger homes.